arrived at Sélestat station. From there, it's a 30-minute drive to the castle. Now we're at the castle. But first we were hungry, so we wanted to get some lunch and enjoy the amazing views.
Oh, guys and girls, Gabriella, she writes her name on her hand. Look. Open! See? Says Gabriella, if you can read that.
This is how to spell my name.
Encouraged. Now I'm gonna eat this, whatever that name is, but it tastes delicious.
Now we had to wait in the queue to get in the castle. This is the castle gatehouse, and try not to make the guys angry.
Now we're in the castle, look. It's so old and massive, and it also looks like Merlin. Some princesses live here, look.
In the first courtyard, they have a tower with a big window on it and a big well.
Now, we go to the shop.
This is called a drawbridge. So a drawbridge is when the bad guys are chasing you up, you pull the bridge up, and then they just fall. And we found another well that goes really deep.
I can see water! This is what the castle looks like before they restored it. And then we saw another well. And a lady talking about food in French, but we did not understand her. This is where the prince and princesses live on top of the castle. And this scary dragon was in the kitchen, next to the church.
There's so many weapons, like Merlin, and they're ready for a battle here.
Une arme avec un long manche qui permet donc de maintenir l'ennemi.
In this castle you can see a beautiful view, and we're so high up. Look, it's so beautiful.
Guys and girls, everybody's speaking French, but we saw some really cool stuff, but we don't understand them.
This was my favorite tower because they had big guns inside. No. Yeah. I think this holds for the cannonballs to shoot through. The view from up here is also very amazing. And you can see the castle gatehouse from here. And there's one more drawbridge on the way out of the castle. And don't forget to check out our other videos in Europe. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and smash that thumbs up button.